that has never happened to me before. He didn't trip the flag. He was just sitting there. And because I definitely felt more weight when I was pulling that up. I had a feeling that's what I'd catch here. Just that bit, buddy. And by some miracle, by some crazy miracle, he's not even got hooked. He's hooked right on the side of the mouth here. And this guy happened to be on here. I'm gonna move this flag anyway, because it's a little shallow for my liking, honestly. But it was good that we get a fish out of that. Thank you, buddy.